Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about creation of billing document for a sales order. If you talk about the billing document, so it is a document that serves as a creation of invoices. So after we make a sale, we give the invoice to the customer so that he can pay us. There are a lot of functionalities like creating invoices, creating credit and debit memos, cancel previously created billing documents, and this billing part is an integration between SAP FI. When a billing document is created, normally the customer account is debited, the revenue account is credited, and also the tax account is credited. So the documents which we have created is here. If you see here, we have created a sales order, and then we have created an outbound delivery with respect to the sales order, and then we have picked the request, and then we have done a goods issue by VL01 and 2N. And now the next step is to create a billing document with for the sales order, and that would be the last step of the order to cash cycle. In order to create a billing document, we need the outbound delivery number. So I click here and click on display document, and I need this delivery document because the billing will be created from the outbound delivery. So I copy this and I go to /n VF01. So this is the T code that you have to remember for billing for sales order is VF01. I press enter and I put the document number here. So this is the delivery document, and the billing type is normally F2. So F2 is invoice. So I select the billing type and the document and I press enter. So now the line item from the delivery will be loaded here. So you see this line item. You have the details of the payer, the billing date, the description of the item. If I scroll on the right side, I have the net value, the tax amount, the pricing date, the cost. We have weight and volume, the material type, and also we have details of the shipping point, the sales organization. The plant is the plant is here. We have the storage location. So if I click here, I would be able to see a lot of tabs. We have the item detail. If I scroll up, then we have the built quantity, the storage location, the sales document, and the reference document. So the reference document is the delivery document. So this is the delivery document. We have the pricing date. If I go to partners, I can see the partners in this tab. I go to conditions. So these are my conditions. If I go to text, so I can maintain different texts here. For PO data, we have the customer reference number. So from this screen, we have to click on save. So once we have clicked on save, we would be able to generate the invoice or the billing document. So I click on save here. So here we see the billing document has been saved. Okay, so I can copy this document, and if I want to view it, so I go to display, and the last document that we have is will be displayed here. So I click on enter, and I will be able to see the invoice that I have just posted. So this is the line item. We have the tabs. So if I go to accounting, then I will be able to see the documents that are created. So we have an accounting document. So this is the invoice document, and this is the accounting document. And also we have a controlling document, because whenever you post an invoice, there would be an accounting document created and the controlling document. So I can display it. If I click here, if I click on display, I would be able to display the accounting document. So this is the accounting document where we have the accounts that have been debited and credited. If I go back, if I want to see the controlling document, I click on controlling document and I click on display icon. So this is the costing document. So this is the controlling document. If I go in the plus sign, I will be able to see the details of the quantity and the price. So this is the process of creating a billing document for a sales order. So this will mark the closure of the order to cash cycle. So We will meet again in another video. Till then, you guys take care and goodbye.